Welcome to Studyline Institute. To the lectures of economics, we are continuing our chapter money, and today's topic is the types of money and how the government control the situation and the balance of money in the market through the monetary policy. So let's start with our lecture today. The first one is the types of money. So, if we want to understand the types of money, there are some bases. On the basis of physical form. Physical form pe what are the types? And then on the basis of money creation by government and banking system. These are the types of money that is created by government and banking system. And the third one is on the basis of legal force behind acceptance. So these are the bases. Let's understand in detail what are the exact types of money on the basis of these three. So first type is on the basis of physical form. Physical. It means that you can have it in your hand. So first one is metallic money. It means a coins. We have a 2 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin, that is the coin. The second one is paper money. We have a note. Paper yani note. So note, rupees 10 note, 20 rupees note are all the notes come into the paper money. And the third is plastic money. Plastic money, it means our credit card, debit card, which is given by the banking system to us. So these are the three types of money on the basis of physical form. So you can say, what are the types? The types are metallic money, paper money, and plastic money. These are the simple and easiest one. Now, let's understand what are the next type. So, the second basis is the money created by government or banking system. In that, the first type of money is fiat money, second is credit money, and the third is total money. Let's understand each one by one. So first is fiat money. Represent the total coin and currency introduced by central bank. Let's understand. First, central bank gave us certain money. That money includes coin, currency. जो पैसा गवर्नमेंट द सेंट्रल बैंक हमें देती है उसके अंदर coins भी है, currency भी है. So it includes coin and currency. And the fiat money is also known as a narrow money. So it's a narrow down to coins and currency denoted by M1. Let's give it to the second one. That is the credit money. So what are the credit? We need sometimes loan, the credit money which we gain by the bank. We ask loan from banking system sometimes give us a certain amount of loan. But that money come from fiat money. So, central government give money to the bank give us a loan. So, that's why it called a credit money. And it's denoted by M2. Now, the third type is total money. The total money supply in economy, in our market, how much the total money supply gives us a total money, that also known as the wide money, denoted by M3. So we have narrow money, credit money, and wide money. Wide money includes this both fiat and credit. इतना समझना है, गवर्नमेंट हमें पैसा देती है, हम उसे यूज़ करते हैं बाय बैंक, और टोटल हमारा होगा टोटल मनी. Let's understand through this example. The central government introduced coin and currency because the system give us the money. So they introduce money which goes to bank. वो पैसा कहाँ पे जाएगा? बैंक पे जाएगा. और बैंक से हम क्या करेंगे? लोन लेंगे, मनी लेंगे, क्रेडिट मनी लेंगे, तो हमें वहाँ पे बैंक रेट देना पड़ता है. यानी हम जो भी अपना चार्जेस हमारा इंटरेस्ट रहता है वो हम बैंक को दे देते हैं और वहाँ से लोन लेते हैं. तो ये पूरा सेंट्रल पीस है, ये सिस्टम है जैसे वर्क करता है हमारी इकोनॉमी में. The central government issue coins that which goes to the bank and we borrow money from the bank. Now, the third type, that is on the basis of legal force behind acceptance. Legal force. हमें पता है जब the government introduced the ban of 500 and notes, because after 12 o'clock this money are not going to be a legal tender. तब हमें पता था कि 12 बजे के बाद ये नोट जो है वो लीगल टेंडर नहीं होगा, एक्सेप्टेड नहीं होगा. द लीगल मनी मीन्स the government has issued as a legal tender and that money is accepted everywhere, since no one can deny that it is not a money. Legal tender yani legal money. The bank introduced the currency, which currency is accepted by everyone. No one can deny. अगर आप 500 का नोट अभी दोगे जो नया वाला है तो कोई आपको ऐसा नहीं कहेगा कि ये पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन आप जो पुराना वाला है वो लेके जाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली समवन विल टोल मी दिस इज नॉट अ लीगल मनी. So that is the type, legal money and optional money. So let's understand the second one, optional money. Certain financial instruments like check, draft, pay order, bills of exchange, you know all this, right? Check hai, draft hai, bill of exchange. When you give a guarantee in writing that after 2 months, 3 months, you will pay your money. So this all the types of money come into the optional money. So these are the types on the basis of physical, on the basis of acceptance, on the basis of legal force behind acceptance. Metallic money, physical money में आता है. Then this is the legal money. Now let's move on to the monetary policy. If the government need to maintain certain ratio, certain amount of money circulating in the market, all over the money is maintained, monitor, government monitor करती है इस money को through the monetary policy. So let's see what it says. The monetary policy is a recurring decision of a sovereign government of any country. Any government of any country will take these decisions because the government need to create money. First they need to create money and afterwards they need to monitor. पैसा कहाँ पे जा रहा है उसको regulate करना पड़ता है. So it's monitor and regulates its flow in economy through the central bank. This is all happen through the central bank. Central bank will keep its eyes on the money and regulate the money in our entire country. Now, in our India, which is the central bank? RBI. The Reserve Bank of India is our central bank. The monetary policy is being framed by central government, that is the Reserve Bank of India. RBI will create monetary policy. RBI will see how much money is circulating in our market. The monetary policy is governed by the central bank through the various tools. Now question arises, if government monitor the money, how will it monitor? Monitor कैसे करेंगे government? The government has certain equipments, tools है government के पास, through which The government will monitor this monetary policy. Like यहाँ पे दिया है the bank rate, the CRR, cash reserve ratio, SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, repo rate, reserve repo rate, etc. We are going to understand this in detail further. So these are the concept of monetary policy. So if you want to say what is monetary policy, monetary policy is recurred by central government or central bank of country. Why? To create money, to monitor money, and to regulate its flow in the economy. Now, objective of monetary policy. Why we need monetary policy? What is the need? What are the objective of monetary policy? Why the government need to have monetary policy? The first one is neutrality of money. Second is price stability चाहिए, exchange rate stability, real economic growth rate, and employment generation. So let's understand one by one. First is neutrality of money. It means the money is a means to facilitate the economic transaction among various stakeholders. The neutrality helps in maintaining the money at certain level, because if we want to purchase something, if we want to sell something, what we need? The medium, and medium is money. So we have money, we can settle any economic transaction. So if government doesn't issue money, the bank cannot give us loan. If we don't have a loan, we cannot purchase the product. It's a whole cycle. So to have a facilitated economic transaction, the monetary policy need to be there. The second one is a price stability. Price stable होना चाहिए. To maintain a purchasing power. Do you know what is a purchasing power? Purchasing power means a person have a power to purchase something. For example, पहले के ज़माने में 10 रुपीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होता था. वाओ, 10 रुपीज़, 100 रुपीज़ है. But today, the 100 rupees value is nothing. We cannot purchase certain things in 100 rupees. So purchasing power, the rupees purchasing powers has to be there. How much the value product, and to maintain that, we have to have monetary policy in our country that result into smooth economic activity. If we have a monetary policy in our country, our transaction will be very smooth because we have money. It fosters income generation, saving, investment, employment. Simple बात है. If we have a money, we will do the purchasing, we will do the selling. If we have a money, we might have certain saving amount, कुछ बचा के रखेंगे. Investment, जो बचा के रखा है उसको invest करेंगे कहीं पे. So these are the outcome which come from monetary policy. ये सारे फायदे हैं monetary policy के. The third one is exchange rate stability. Everyone know our Indian rupees के सामने US डॉलर और US डॉलर के सामने हमारा इंडियन करेंसी कितना है, where we are exchanging from one currency into another currency of country. Two trading nation have a different currency. So if we want to purchase something from USA or any other country, we need to pay in their currency. So the rate stability होना चाहिए जो हमारे पास, वो कहाँ से आएगा? Through the objective of monetary policy. The fourth one is real economic growth rate. To calculate what is the real economic growth rate, we need a yearly CAGR at a constant price reliable. It means if we have a constant price, if we have a proper maintenance of monetary policy or the money circulation, our economic growth can be calculated easily. So to calculate growth, we need a proper monetary policy. Fifth one is employment generation. जनरेट होगा एम्प्लॉयमेंट, जो भी कम्युनिटी है वो प्रॉपर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करेगी, उसको असिस्ट करेगी. सो दिस इज ऑल हैपन बिकॉज वी हैव अ प्रॉपर मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी. So these are the objective means why we need monetary policy. So these are the five objective of monetary policy. And please, if this question has been asked in your exam, draw the chart. You need to have a proper presentation of your answer. Draw chart and point by point underline the points and everything. Write down your answer very properly. Now let's understand further the next topic, the various tool. I already explained, but we just read the names. Now we understand what are the tools for monetary policy. हमने monetary policy तो रख दिया, बना भी दिया, लेकिन मनी को कंट्रोल कैसे करेंगे? थ्रू दिस टूल. ये टूल की मदद से, उसकी हेल्प से हम कंट्रोल करेंगे. सो वी हैव 2 types of tool, quantitative tools and qualitative tools. Let's understand one by one. पहले जो आता है वो है क्वांटिटेटिव टूल्स. एंड क्वांटिटेटिव टूल्स में हमारे पास है बैंक रेट, ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो दैट इज CRR, स्टैट्यूटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो दैट इज SLR, रेपो रेट एंड रिजर्व रेपो रेट. नाउ if we understand this one by one. So first is a bank rate. Bank rate. What is a bank rate? Whenever we goes to the bank and we deposit money, sometimes we take a loan from money. So what we do? The bank charge interest. If we have a deposit, we will get interest. But we have a loan, then we have to give interest. So bank rate. जो बैंक रेट है ना, उससे गवर्नमेंट पैसे को कंट्रोल करती है. अब कैसे, मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. अगर गवर्नमेंट को लगता है मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है, ठीक है, द मनी इज़ ओवरफ्लोइंग, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है. सो व्हाट विल गवर्नमेंट डू? गवर्नमेंट विल से टू द बैंक दैट यू नीड टू इंक्रीज योर बैंक रेट. पहले बैंक रेट 4% था, 6% था, अब वो बढ़ा के 15% कर दिया. यानी अब आपको लोन चाहिए तो आपको कितना परसेंटेज इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा? 15%. यू नीड टू गिव 15%. दैट इज़ वेरी मच हाईली देन बिफोर. सो नाउ यू विल नॉट टेक लोन एंड द सर्कुलेशन विल कम डाउन. दिस इज हाउ द गवर्नमेंट प्ले विथ अस. सो व्हेनेवर they need, they can increase the bank rate or maybe they decrease the bank rate. Now the second one is open market operation. So open market operation means the network buys the high rated financial assets like treasury bill है, government bonds है, the corporate shares, debenture, वो सब खरीदेंगे. ऑपरेशन, द मार्केट ऑपरेशन, फ्रॉम मार्केट से वो खरीद लेंगे और जब भी ऐसा लगेगा कि पैसे नहीं है तो उसे मार्केट में बेच देंगे, तो वो द मनी फ्लो विल इंक्रीज. तो दिस इज हाउ गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल मनी. थर्ड वन इज द कैश रिजर्व रेशियो, CRR. So if we have a question, what is a CRR? CRR is a certain part of time and demand deposit by the commercial bank. For example, I will explain you by example. We have a bank, right? So our bank name is ABC Bank. Now every bank have to deposit certain money to the RBI. सो अपनी बैंक एबीसी को कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ जो भी रेशियो डिसाइड किया है, CRR 4% है, तो हमारे पास जितना मनी है उसका 4% हमें RBI में डिपॉजिट करना है. ठीक है, तो इफ़ वी से वी हैव 100%, out of 100% the 4% is goes to the RBI. So how much left? 96%. So we have a 96% we can give loan to other. But what if RBI decide that now it's not a 4%, you need to deposit 10% amount. पहले हम 4% देते थे, अब हमें 10% देना है. इसका मतलब हमारा ज़्यादा पैसा चला जाएगा RBI के पास. अब हमारे पास लोन को देने के लिए कितना है? 90%. सो पैसे कम हो गए. सो दिस इज़ हाउ गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल मनी थ्रू CRR. So CRR क्या है? The certain amount, the certain percentage of our deposit which we needed to made to RBI. If the government need to control the money, they will increase the rate. If government need to outflow the money, they will decrease the rate. Vice versa. जैसी situation होगी उसके हिसाब से government decision लेगी. The next is statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. So what is SLR? The commercial bank are required to invest. हमें invest करना है a certain time and demand deposit into government shares, government bonds ले लो, जो भी government instrument है उसमें हमें invest करना. पहले तो CRR में ले लिया, अब और एक आया कि आपको इतना परसेंटेज गवर्नमेंट में कंपलसरी इन्वेस्ट करना ही है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे हमारे पास है 22%, यहाँ पे हमने दे दिया 4%. सो ऐसे हमारे पास डिपॉजिट से कम होते जाएंगे और बचेगा जो अमाउंट वो हम डिपॉजिट के दौरान लोन के तरह दे सकते हैं. So these are the statutory liquidity ratio. We need to invest in government security. Government can increase or decrease this rate. Now, the next one is repo rate. What is a repo rate? Whenever we need money, we goes to bank. बट वॉट इफ बैंक नीड्स मनी? हमारी जो ABC बैंक है, अभी बैंक को ही पैसा चाहिए, तो बैंक किसके पास जाएगा? RBI के पास जाएगा. लेकिन RBI भी उसको मुफ्त में तो देगा नहीं, जो भी इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं. यानी हम जो है किसके पास गए? RBI के पास गए. कौन गया? ऑल द कॉमर्शियल बैंक. जो भी कॉमर्शियल बैंक थी वो RBI के पास गए और जो भी इंटरेस्ट चार्ज किया वो इंटरेस्ट को कहेंगे रेपो रेट. सो द रेपो रेट इज द इंटरेस्ट चार्ज बाय RBI फ्रॉम कॉमर्शियल बैंक. नाउ रिवर्स रेपो रेट. ये पूरी सिचुएशन को हमें उल्टा करना है. नाउ RBI नीड मनी. RBI को ही पैसा चाहिए. RBI नीड मनी. So RBI will go to commercial bank and commercial bank will charge certain money that is called the reverse repo rate. RBI हमारे पास आ रही है पैसे मांगने के लिए, so हम भी इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करेंगे. वो इंटरेस्ट को कहेंगे reverse repo rate. So these are the quantitative tools of monetary policy. Now the qualitative tools. The qualitative tools में हमारे पास दो है, the credit rationing and the margin requirement. Credit rationing. The credit rationing is like the what are the market determined by the force of demand. What are the supply? Demand क्या है? Supply क्या है? The administer allocations by the central authority. Central authority have given certain amount, that this much amount you can give loan to other people. So we have to maintain that amount We have to maintain the force of demand and supply. Now, what is the margin requirement? The margin requirement, for example, let's understand by example. We need rupees 10 crore, right? But if we want to have a loan from company, we need to give some security, कुछ गारंटी देना पड़ेगा, कुछ assets रखना पड़ेगा गिरवी. So we need to give certain mortgage. For example, if we have a rupees 9 crore building, we have a bungalow of 9 crore. We mortgage this bungalow of 9 crore. So how much we will get the loan? 10 crore? Obviously not. We are giving assets of 9 crore, we cannot get 10 crore. We will get 8 crore or maybe 8.5. So हमें कम ही मिलेगा पैसा. So that is called the margin. This is called the margin requirement. If we need to have a loan of 10 crore, we need to mortgage some assets which is acquiring about more than 10 crore. 10 crore से ज़्यादा की assets होनी चाहिए, तब हमें 10 crore लोन मिलेगा. तो ये margin requirements is going to be increase or decrease whatever the situation is. So this is how they control the money, monitor the money through monetary policy. I hope now you have a clear understanding how our government control money. So that's it. We are done for the day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share with all your friends.